I done found the hidden gem fried fish spot for all my LA folks near the Crenshaw Mall. Yerp, it's your boy Arson6. Today we in Los Angeles, California at Chefism. No kizzy. They out here doing a lot of soul food feeding over here in the Leimert Park community. The star of the show for me right here is that lobster burger. Perfectly seasoned, crispy patty, loaded up with all the fixings, the lettuce, tomatoes, and the tartar sauce. Right here, they loaded it up with them fries, 3-piece shrimp, 3-piece catfish, and 3-piece chicken strips. Oh my God, that's called the Mamba platter. It's going crazy. Perfectly seasoned fries, crispy fish, and they also give you a little dinner roll on the side and garnishes for that pop of color. It's going crazy, man. So if y'all ever want some fried fish on a lovely Friday or Saturday, 12 p.m. to 6 p.m., located outside of the Rooted Clothing Store across the street from the Crenshaw Mall, check them out. You're banging. You.